This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening TikTok and choosing Live. This gets you into the broadcast setup immediately. Prepare the picture in advance, save it to Photos, and confirm it's the right size so it won't crop oddly. While you're here, make sure TikTok has camera and microphone permission, and connect to a strong network so your image upload does not fail. Once done, tap the Live option and move to Overlay Controls. You'll add the image from there. You're now in the live preview and need to open effects or overlays. That's the button near the bottom. Select the image or sticker tool and pick the photo you saved. TikTok imports it as an overlay so you can place it on screen. Drag with one finger to move and pinch with 2 fingers to scale. This lets you keep faces unobstructed. Make sure the image layer order is correct. If it hides the camera, send it back or reduce opacity so viewers still see you. You're ready to go live. Preview the composition, confirm the overlay placement, then tap Go Live to start broadcasting with the picture on screen. If the image won't upload, check storage and app permissions, remove and reselect the photo, or save a draft and reopen Live. If viewers report lag or the overlay freezes, switch to a stronger network, reduce overlay size, or force quit and reopen TikTok. That often clears rendering glitches. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.